Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you several simple ways to fix freezing and lagging issues on your MacBook so it can run smoothly again. Let's get started. First, we're going to reduce the number of apps that launch when your Mac starts up. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, then open System Settings. From the sidebar, go to General, then click on Login Items and Extensions. At the top, you'll see all the apps that open automatically when your Mac turns on. If there are apps you don't really need, select them and click the minus icon to remove them. This alone can make a big difference in performance. Next, scroll down to Allow in the background. These are apps running constantly, even when you're not using them. If you see apps you don't need, simply turn them off. You may be asked to enter your password to confirm. Now let's make sure your Mac is up to date. Go back, click on Software Update, and check if there's any update available. If there is, go ahead and install it. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Next, let's check your storage. Go to General, then click on Storage. If your storage is almost full, your Mac can slow down significantly. Take a look at what's using up space. To free it up, open Finder, go to Applications, and remove any apps you no longer use by dragging them to the trash. Also, make sure to delete large files you don't need anymore, as they can take up a lot of space. And don't forget to empty the trash. That's what actually frees up the space. Now, here's an important step that many people skip. Press Command plus Space to open Spotlight, type Disk Utility, and open it. Select your main drive, then click on First Aid, and hit Run. This will scan and fix any disk issues that might be slowing down your Mac. Finally, restart your Mac to apply all the changes. And that's it. Your MacBook should now run faster and smoother. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.